rotatory motion problems. First problem number 1. I discuss some models and same problems. I give the assignment also. Okay. Today to discuss this is the square. Here mass is placed. This mass is placed 2 kg. Here mass is placed M2, this is 2 kg. Here M3 also 4 kg. M4 is 4 kg. According to question, 4 masses are placed at the corners of the square. Square side length is 2 meters. Okay. Here find the center of mass, find the distance of center of mass from this side. This side is called AB. Okay, CB. In the diagram, find the perpendicular distance between center of mass to AB. Okay, this distance can be determined. In the chapter, we assume x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. In the chapter, this can be considered as a origin. Its coordinates is 0, 0. M1 corresponding coordinates x1, y1. This is M2. Its corresponding coordinates is this point on the x-axis, so y becomes 0. Here to here length is 2, kabatti 2, 0. M2 coordinates is x2, y2. Similarly, M3 is here, its coordinates is on the x-axis is length is 2, This is the shape of the square. So this length also 2, because in the square all sides have same, This is x3, y3. Here this is M4. M4 on the y-axis becomes x becomes 0. Here the length is 2 meters. Okay. This is called x4, y4. Here and in the diagram, first assumed coordinate system and to identify the coordinates. Here in the topic, find the perpendicular distance from center of mass to AB. This perpendicular distance is parallel to the y-axis. So that is called YCM. What is the YCM in the center of mass problem? M1 y1 plus M2 y2 plus M3 y3 plus M4 y4 by whole by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. Okay. Other XCM M1 x1 plus M2 x2 plus M3 x3 plus M4 x4 by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. Here 4 particles is there, so I take 4 masses. Okay. Here what is the M1 value according to diagram? 2 kg. Y1 value 0. M2 value 2 kg. Y2 value 0. M3 value 4 kg. Y3 value 2. And again M4 value 4, Y4 value 2. That means 4 into 4 by total mass. M1 2 kg, M2 2 kg, M3 4 kg, M4 4 kg. 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 16 24 by total 2 plus 2 4 8 12. That means 24 by 12, that means 2, Once again I repeat here, 4 into 2, 8, 8, 8. Here y4 is 2 given, 4 into 2, 8. Here Nana, M4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16. Here 4 fours, 4 threes, 4.3 is right as 1.33. Okay, in this manner, in this method can be solved. In this method, Nana, center of mass, we assume coordinate system and identify the coordinates and use the formula to determine XCM, YCM and ZCM. What is the XCM formula? M1 x1 plus M2 x2 plus M3 x3 and so on by M1 plus M2 plus M3 and so on. Alane YCM formula M1 y1 plus M2 y2 plus M3 y3 and so on by M1 plus M2 and so on. ZCM formula is M1 Z1 plus M2 Z2 and so on by M1 plus M2 and so on. Okay? I discuss another method. Nana. The second question is here 2 rods is given. Nana. This is the first rod. Nana. This is the second rod. Nana. Here how many rods are there? 2 rods. First rod name is A. Second rod name is B. First rod length is 5 meter. Second rod length is 3 meters. Okay? Are placed end to end. Linear densities is given. First rod of the linear density 3 kg by meter. Linear density means mass by length. Here length is given 5. That means first rod mass is 3 into 5, 15 kg. Okay? Here it's linear density. Linear density means mass by length. It's also given 2 kg by meter. Here length is given second rod 3. Mass of the second rod is 2 into 3, 6 kg. Okay? Mass of the second rod also given. Here find the position of center of mass from their interface. Interface and contact point. This is interface I take. This can be considered as a origin. Find position of center of mass from interface. From interface means this interface can be considered as a origin. Origin. Okay? This origin, according to mathematics, this is the left side. This origin, this is the right side. Nana, here x1 I write. Nana, x1 in the chapter determine x is nothing but the distance. Nana, from origin to first body center. X1 means the distance from origin to first body center. This is the first body. This is the center. This rod total length 5. That means here to here 5 by 2. Okay? And again x2 also. Here look here now. X2 means the distance from origin to second body. Origin to second body center. The total length of the second rod is 3. Center means 3 by 2. Okay? Now we know that what is the XCM formula? Here determine position of center of mass. XCM formula we know that here 2 rods are there. M1 x1 plus M2 x2 by M1 plus M2. Here look here, Nana. Mass M1 is 15 kg. X1 is 5 by 2 plus M2 is 6 kg. X2 is 3 by t. Total mass 15 plus 6 21. Here Nana, 15 5s 75. 6 3s 18. 75 plus 18 93. Here once again here 15 into 5. Okay, 15 into 5 75 by 2 plus 6 into 3 18 by 2. Here 1 minute, Nana. In the mathematics origin left side taken as a negative. So that's why x1 write as a minus, because in the mathematics left side taken as, this is the origin, right side is positive, left side is negative. So that's why here write minus nana, here write minus whole by 21. It neatly write as minus 75 plus 18 nana minus 57 by 2 into 21. 3 19s, 3 7s, neatly write as minus 19 by 4. Okay, this minus indicate center of mass is also in the left side, that means heavier rod, okay. Minus 19 by 14, minus indicate center of mass is shift towards the heavier rod, okay. This minus indicate. Okay, in the mathematics, once again I repeat, this is the positive x, this is the minus x. Origin left side always taken as negative. In this method also same manner, XCM formula m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. I discuss another model. First listen, question clearly Nana. Here three identical spheres are there Nana. Each of radius capital R are placed touching each other, so their centers A, B and C lie on the straight line. According to question Nana, this is the sphere Nana. Here this is also sphere, this is also sphere. Three identical spheres. Okay, first sphere name A, B, C. Okay, each sphere radius is what Nana? R. And keyword in the problem, their centers along the straight line. Look here, one straight line drawn, all centers lie on the straight line. Okay, this is the keyword Nana. According to keyword, I arranged the spheres. Once again I repeat that line. Their centers A, B and C lie on the straight line. Okay, here this is also R Nana, this is R, this is R. Okay, here look here. Then here the question is, find the position of center of mass from center of A. That means from annappudu this can be considered as a origin. Okay, here how many bodies are there? Three bodies are there. First body mass m, second body mass m, third body mass m, because three spheres are identical. Okay, x1 means look here to here Nana, once again x1 means where to where Nana? Distance of first body center to origin. This is the first body Nana. This is the first body center. Origin also here. That means first body center origin both are coincide. That means x1 becomes 0. And again, what is the x2? X2 means origin to second body center. This is the origin, second body center here. R plus RO to RO. Okay. X3 means origin to third body center. Origin to third body center. Total distance is 4RO. Okay, what is the formula for XCM Nana? We know that here three masses is there. So formula is M1 x1 plus M2 x2 plus M3 x3 by whole by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Okay, here what is the M1 value? M. X1 value 0. 0 into anything 0. M2 value M. X2 value 2R. M3 value M. X3 value 4R. Whole by total mass Nana 3M. Okay, here 2mr plus 4mr 6mr by 3m. Here m cancel. 6r by 3 nana. Finally we get 2r. Okay. Next problem nana. Important method to see here. Here first particle mass is given. M1 is 20 grams. M2 is 30 grams. M3 is 50 grams. Okay, 3 masses is given. And first body velocity v1 bar is 10 I cap. v2 bar second body velocity 10 j cap. Third body velocity v3 bar equal to 10 k bar. Find the VCM velocity of center of mass of the system. Then XCM అంటే 3 mass ఇస్తే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Similar way, VCM formula is m1 v1 bar. Tell me. Plus m2 v2 bar plus m3 v3 bar all by total mass m1 plus m2 plus m3. Here what is the m1 value? 20 gram. v1 value 10 I cap plus m2 value 30 gram. v2 value 10 j cap. m3 value 50 gram. v3 value 10 k cap. Total mass here right 20 plus 30 plus 50 100 nana. 0 0 all will be cancelled nana. Here finally we write 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. This is final answer of the problem nana. Next problem nana I discuss. Look here, last problem.